You can find links to all the products that you see in this video, and as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. This is we're just going to do a short unboxing here because there's nothing to build. We're going to open up the Hobby Gear Backyard Mechanics Series 1. So this is a 1/24th scale. It says right there 1/24th scale on here. So let's open this up, because this is before we build any of the tools and the benches that are going to go into the speed shop we're building. Let's open up the ones that have stuff that's already pre-built. Take a quick look at it. So we're going to look at this one and another hobby gear that you can get. All right, so let's open up this and take these out. So I also went to the Dollar General and bought one of these little plastic containers to put all these pieces in, because we're going to have a lot of small stuff, I have a feeling. All right, so man, could they seal? This is sealed pretty good. All right, so open that up, and then there we go. All right, so we got a crawler right here. So that's pretty good. So let's put the crawlers in here somewhere. Let's throw them in there. All right, so we have these tools here. There we go. So these are tools that are going to go on in the toolkit, or they could be laying on the ground. So we have a ton of these with all the different kits that we bought. Plus we have ones we got to build yet. So man, so these here are box. Shoot, that one flew away. Hold on, let me go find it. This one flew right out of there. This is your box wrenches right there. You can see box wrenches. Hope you could see that. Okay. The first one here was a bunch of pliers. I don't know if I showed it close. So it has a whole bunch of pliers. And then let's see. Oh, shoot. Wow. All right, this one is, what is this one? This one looks like that's a bunch of ratchets for sockets. Okay. Yeah, you got to watch these because they pop out and they just, actually, let's do it this way. There we go. There's one. And there's that one. All right, so this is screwdrivers. Screwdrivers there. And then this one is miscellaneous cutters and stuff. All right. And then we have, what is this? This looks like one of them radios that you would have. Or is this a generator? Looks like actually a shop radio. Looks like a shop radio. That's what it looks like to me. Yeah, I think that's a shop radio. Put that there. And then what we should have, we have a jack, and this bottom thing spins. I don't think, does it really work? I don't know, that would be pretty cool if it did, but I don't think it does. Nope, it doesn't. Okay, so let's put that there. And then we have a set of ramps right here. So we got a set of ramps right there. And they got a hole in them here, so I guess you could probably push like a pin or something there to hold the tires up. But there you go, set of ramps. And then finally we have a drawer. This drawer opens. Do all the doors open, or is just that one? I guess just the one. So just one drawer opens, but that's all right. That's enough. So with wheels. So we could put the tools in there, or however you want to do that. So we have a tool bench. All right. It's not going to fit in there, but that's okay. We're gonna have a bunch of tool benches here. So, all right, so that is that one. And then the other one we're gonna open while we're here is this small one called, this is the Hobby Gear pallet and drums. Let's pull that off. A lot easier. And this has two 55-gallon drums. So we got two 55-gallon drums. They're open at the top, so you can either have them open like trash cans, or you can have them closed like that. And then we have a pallet, which actually, I think it's a real wood pallet. So we have a pallet and we have some drums. So there you go. All right, so Hobby Gear, pallet and drum set. Hobby Gear, what was this one? This is the Backyard Mechanics Set Series 1. So we have those. You saw what came out of them. If you're interested, if you want, this is what we're going to be using. So if you want to get these, I put a link at the bottom. They're really cool. Here's a, so here's, if you have a, this is not a model, this is a die cast, but if you have the die cast here, you can put the stuff up on the, up here and stuff, and the jack stands underneath, whatever. So, you got this. So it's correct. It's correct scale. Anyway, so that's kind of what we're doing right now. Is just taking a look at these things. And we got more open. I got Tire Shop Garage, the Repair Garage, and the Mobile Mechanics series. We're going to open those up. So we're just going to open up the ones we need now. Then we will start building the AMT ones right here. So then we're going to build the AMT kits, and then after that we will build the Fujima kits. So, and we'll get all this stuff ready so that way we can put our speed shop together. All right, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.